the expandable card part 4, prototyping, which is also making it an interactive component and using exposed instances. Going to prototype, this should be quick. Move that down there. I'm gonna say smart animate, and I want ease in and out. Once you do it for one, it's extremely easy because it keeps those settings. As you can see, ease in and ease out, smart animate. We just need to do that for the mobile version. Okay, everything looks good. Smooth. Sometimes if things are glitchy, it's not that glitchy, but you always want to check and make sure that certain things are set to clip content. So that's set to clip content, which is good. I'm gonna check out my body copy over here, clip content, which is good. Clip content, good. And last one. Okay, so we're all checked out there. We've set it up for an interactive component. We have our variants, we have our component props. We don't need any exposed instances. If we wanted to have an exposed, let's check out what the bug is. And I already know what it is. Here we go. This is not true. That is false. Okay. I just remembered that I changed the desktop and mobile to false on this one, which when I duplicated it, it was going to keep it, but I did need to change the expander collapse to false. Back to the exposed instances. If we did want to have an exposed instance, it would probably be something like the expand button, but I don't think that you want your user to have that because that functionality is already baked into the expand and collapse. So that's something that we're gonna get rid of. I did want to show you how to do it though. So that's the end of this part, but stay tuned for more.